Please come to Devoted on the 19th of October. Tickets are £20 and that includes refreshments and food.
We'll have guest speaker Deborah Green from Redeeming Our Communities. You can get your tickets after the service or on our website. See you there.
The sunlight shines, the air I breathe. I'm captured by your gravity.
Connect groups are a great way to get to know people here at Excel Church and to learn more about the Bible as well in our Bible discussion groups. So if you would like to join a group, you can do that via our exchange or by signing up on our website. And we've got a brand new group starting for you on the 16th of September. That's a Monday during the daytime, just a short walk from the church building. So if you would like to sign up for that, you can do it on the website. If not, come along to one of our other Connect groups. It would be great to see you there.
You're the grace that washes like the tide flowing from your.
It's that time of year again when we start to think about packing a shoebox gift for Operation Christmas Child. If you've never taken part before, then why not pack your first shoebox this year and help us to reach even more children with the love of God. Throughout the world, there are many children who may not get a single gift this Christmas. By packing a shoebox with simple gifts such as toys, hygiene items and school supplies, you could help Operation Christmas Child to transform the life of children by sharing the good news and great joy of knowing Jesus. So pick up a flyer from the welcome desk which gives you all the details you need to know, and maybe you could even consider volunteering at the Shoebox Packing Centre in Oldbury. For more information, speak to Dan.
Our first ever Excel Unite service is going to take place here behind me at the Imperial Banqueting Suite on the 22nd of September. It's going to be 11 o'clock and it's going to be a great day, a lovely short service for everybody. So come along on that day if you can. It's going to be actually a harvest festival, so bring along food with you which will be donated to the Wolverhampton Food Bank. So there'll be no services at Excel Church that day, but join us here, Imperial Banqueting Suite on Lichfield Street in Bilston at 11 a.m. on the 22nd of September.
If you've not signed up to exchange yet, then pick up a form from the welcome desk. It's our online community where you can stay up to date with absolutely everything that's going on here at Excel Church and sign up for any events and things like that too. We hope you have a fantastic week and we'll see you back next Sunday for more Excel news.